For this prawn curry, I've taken 1 onion. I'm going to use half for the curry and half for the bagar in the end. I'm taking tomatoes, few green chilies, garlic, and some curry leaves. I have taken 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I've fried them till they are nice and golden. Then I'm using half onions, garlic, chilies, and the curry leaves. I'm going to fry them till they are nice and golden brown. I'm going to now add 1 chopped tomato. I'm going to fry it till the tomatoes are nice and mushy. Now I'm going to put turmeric powder, coriander powder, and chili powder with the quantities shown above. I'm going to give it a nice mix. And then I'm going to add a little bit of tamarind pulp. So I had the tamarind pulp, I just put that in, and 1 small cup of warm water. I'm going to give that a very nice mix and let it cook for some time till the gravy leaves its oil, and I'm going to stir well. As soon as I feel that the gravy is cooked well, I'm going to put in the coconut milk. Now I will mix in the coconut milk well and let the coconut milk cook so that the gravy and the coconut milk gets well incorporated, just like this. And I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for some time. I'm just going to cover it half, and once it's cooked, I'm going to put in my prawns that I'm just cleaned and deveined and marinated with salt. I'm going to cover and cook this. In one side, I'm going to take a small pan and chop the other half of the onion, fry it and put it back in the pan, cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. And voila, your coconut curry is ready. Enjoy this easy yummy curry with rice, dosas, or anything that you prefer. Try it and let me know how you liked it.